Back in the day when when parents and older folk would get happy in the church, I didn't understand why, they would call it happy. Because I had an uncle who was literally ecstatic at times, if that's what getting happy in a church would be. One time I seen my uncle jump on top of a pulpit and strangle the pastor with his own tie because he was happy in church. I just, as a young child growing up, I didn't understand. But the old folks say, he's just happy. Well, my God, if he's just happy, what would happen if he was ecstatic? My God, when he sang, he jumped on furniture. One time we was at a singing, and I swear to God, one of his foots was in the pie, in one of our little sweet potato pies. One of his, and I don't know how his shoe got off, but his sock was in the pie, and the other shoe was on at one of them singings. Now, you know how they be cooking in the back? Now, look, when y'all get happy in church, y'all gonna have to explain a little bit better to the little children, because we don't know what's going on. If he's happy, what happens if he's overjoyed? That could be dangerous.